In a jungle village in Myanmar, this frying pan has been a key tool to sharing Jesus with villagers. Mian So works as a global mission pioneer. He came to this village with a special mission to make friends and share Jesus with the villagers. He takes a unique approach to meeting people. Everywhere he goes, he brings his frying pan. When he first arrived in this village, he began visiting people in their homes and offered to make them flatbread. The people here love this flatbread, but no one else in the village knows how to make it. So, Mian So was constantly invited to people's homes to share this special treat. Once they get the fire going, they prepare the dough and roll it into balls. An important part of making this bread is the technique. The villagers watch closely as he flips the bread over and over to get just the right shape. As the bread is cooking, Mian So talks to the villagers about life. This way, they get to know each other on a personal level. Through this process, he has made friends throughout the village. When he first came, there was not a single Adventist, but now there is a small home church of 15 Adventist members who meet multiple times a week for flatbread and discussion. Mian So always ends his visits with a short Bible reading, a song, and a prayer. For most, this is their first time hearing the amazing stories from the Bible. They are captivated by Jesus and his role in their lives. As this congregation continues to grow, Mian So asks that you say a special prayer for his village. Pray that through simple but creative approaches, like making flatbread, more villagers can come to know the love of Jesus. Thank you for supporting global mission pioneers around the world.